Welcome back again. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements. So right now, we'll be discussing about empty code groups in our table. If you want to style columns in the middle of a table, insert an empty code element with no styles for the columns before. So for instance, now I'm going to demonstrate this for you. After you have your table, don't forget you have your code group. After your code group, inside it you are having your codes, your code elements. So quickly, but this one we are going to have one code. If let's say you want to style something in the middle of the table, let's say we want to style columns in the middle of a table, instead of using this this column instead of having this code with colors, this first one can have no colors. We can specify no color inside this one, and the second one is going to have the color, and we will span through how many rows we want to jump before we reach the place that we want to style. That's what is going to happen. So let me demonstrate quickly. Back to our document. If you don't know how we got here, you can check our previous tutorial. So we have different playlists on our channel here, so you can be able to follow along. Let's say for instance now, let me demonstrate this. Inside our column here, we want to jump the number number one here. This Monday and Tuesday, we want to jump it. We want to shift it. Let's say we want to shift these colors here to this right. We want to leave one gap. Let's say, let me show you how it works quickly, because by explaining it, demonstration is very important. Let me show you how it works. Let's say we span one element now. When we span one element, there will be an empty, like this color now, that you know there is no any color here now. There won't be any color on this Monday here. The color will jump, and it will come to this Saturday. Monday, this blue will come to Saturday, this red will come to Tuesday, Thursday and Friday. This and this blue violet is going to come to what? It's going to reflect on Tuesday and Wednesday only. Let's reload it. Can you see what happens? So we can style something between, right? That's what they are telling us. And this Thursday, now let's say we don't want style to be on this Thursday on also. This is what we are going to do. We are going to take this kind of thing. Let's say the Thursday is in between the blue violet and the red. I think the Thursday is in between the blue violet and the red color. So quickly, let's give it co-span. Give it co-span. We are going to see what will happen. Co-span 1. Let's just give it 1. Can you see? Can you see what happens? So that is how it works. That's how it works. Let's say we want 2. So let's say we want 2. Let's see what will happen here. Let's say for instance now here we want 2. You're going to see what will happen. Can you see? They shift, but the remaining blue color have shifted out. So that's how it works. Automatically, that's how it works. So let's say, and now say we need the blue color back. So we can just remove 1 out of this one. We can just remove 1 out of this one, so we can have the blue color back. We can remove 1. We can turn this. You know it's on 2 before. Now we can turn it to 1. So when we have 1, it will come back again. So as you can see, it's the blue come back, but this one is having one red color. And let's say we want this one to have color. We want this Monday to have color, only the Thursday and Friday we don't want it to have color. We can turn this one to 3 and remove this one at the top. Let's bring it back. Can you see the color shifted to the back? And can even give it 3 also. You can even give it 2 also. You can see, you will see what will happen. Can you see they shifted? And also, let's say for instance now, the way they shifted, you want it to shift more. You want it to span 3. Then you can span 3 element, so that this can jump Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So only Saturday and Sunday we have this tag. Can you see? So that's how it works. The core group along with core elements. That's how it works. And don't forget, inside your core element, you are going to have your span along with the style that you want to put that you want to use. So that's how it works. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Right now I think we have created empty code. So have a great day. Thank you so much. Please make sure you practice and you can check our playlist. Have a great day. Bye bye.